As you can imagine, programming can get really complicated and programs can become even more complicated, and it can be harder to read your code and especially other people's codes. So, C and other languages have comments built in. It allows you to write human language into actual programs so that when you come back to the code, you can understand it better. So if I wanted to write a comment in here describing what the program does, you can create a comment by writing 2 forward slashes. And you can see that it turns actually a different color in our editor because it recognizes that it's a comment. So if I say prints out a profile, this adds a comment. If I, however, I actually compile it and run it, you'll notice that it actually does nothing to the program. The program is identical. I can add comments anywhere, including at the end of lines. So if I write here and go prints out the age, you'll notice that, again, the program doesn't actually change, but if someone else to read this, it would be pretty obvious that this prints out the age. Commenting is also a good way to test code and remove parts of code without actually deleting it. So if I wanted to remove the slashes, I could just put a comment and comment it out so that that piece of code is ignored by the compiler and it removes the slashes. Now, if I had a long comment and I wanted to write a paragraph on multiple lines, it may be quite annoying to have to write slash slash in front of it, as the slash slash only comments out the current line. There is multi-line comments, and multi-line comments have a start and end point. So if I write forward slash and then star, anything before the star forward slash is commented out. So I can write this is a comment, and anything between that. If I also wanted to comment out the age and the country, I could do that with a multi-line comment. And the compiler knows to remove those elements. It's always good practice to comment your code so that you can come back to your code and understand it as well as others can easily understand it.